My fellow money makers, are you ready for this? As of course, like I'm always telling you, full transparent, I'm also making money, of course, from the affiliate program. There are two ways to earn, and I'm going to take you to how to activate it, because there are many questions of people like, Pat, how can I activate my affiliate commission? Well, you got me providing that service for you guys. First of all, we're going to go to the screen I just made. As you can see in one of my earlier videos, I had created an extra wallet, I had created an account, but how to open your affiliate possibilities. You can see when we press partner, you got on the total right with services, you got partner account. So we're going to press that OK button. And then you can see that I have to affirm with the following documents. I am a person that is going to be honest. You can see that the affiliate program is going to be VIP, and the affiliate code, your agent code, is MPNS. So as I already showed you guys with how to make an account and how to use the partner code, the affiliate code. If you would want to have the income from telling other people how to work with this, be sure to give your own partner code. Also, you can let's check it out. Also, you can make sure that you're going to get a link. Of course, after we have done the approve it, you can see that we can go to partner links. Everything is opened now. And you can also see that you have your own link. Be sure to not like spam it out everywhere, because that is not allowed in the partner things. So you can check it out, guys. You can find your link here. I just use this one. And of course, you can use whatever you want. Be sure to tell the people that they make the partner code manually. Why? To make sure that they enter your codes. So partner code manually, as I also showed in my earlier video. This unlocks the affiliate commission. There are two ways to get affiliate commission. This is the one I'm showing now. And in my next video, I will show another one. This is PTC Pat from the Netherlands, guiding you safely. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money, guys.